Hi, my name is Advait Gupta and I am the founder and CEO of Paanduv Applications. We are located in the northern part of India near the foothills of Himalayas. I come from a long background of computational physics and artificial intelligence, and almost a decade ago I always thought, why are we not using these advanced techniques in the additive manufacturing or the 3D printing industry as well. There are a lot of good things about this industry, but there are also some challenges. The major challenges being lack of alloy standardization, lack of understanding of how the defects are formed inside the 3D printed parts, and huge research expenditure that goes into the experimental additive manufacturing work. To overcome these challenges, in the last couple of years, my team has worked fearlessly and sincerely towards developing a computational physics and database software called AM PravaH, which is the world's first all-inclusive 3D computational software for 3D printing industry. Today, I am absolutely delighted to announce the latest version, which is version 1.5 of AM PravaH, which is faster, more accurate, more robust, and highly scalable than its predecessors. As a lead developer of AM PravaH, my personal favorite aspect of this new version is its stunningly dark interface with powerful data visualization capabilities. With AM PravaH, machine manufacturers, users, and researchers will now be able to fully unleash the power of additive manufacturing techniques such as laser powder bed fusion, also known as LPBF, be it discovery of new alloys, reduction of defects, or optimization of process parameters. I promise that AM PravaH will add that final cutting edge and speed to your efforts. Paanduv Applications has established a name already for itself as a company that delivers the most complex and fast-paced engineering products and services without compromising on the research quality of our work. And as for our commitment to the AM industry, Paanduv offers you all AM PravaH, the world's first all-inclusive 3D computational modeling software dedicated to AM industry. For detailed product specifications, I urge you to please check out our website.